All right, certainly the time I've been waiting for. Hopefully it's the time that you guys have been waiting for. We're actually gonna start to bake the bread. So we're gonna take the loaf out of the refrigerator. We're gonna get it prepped on the peel with the parchment paper. We're gonna score it with the razor blade, and then we're going to bake it for its first bake in the Dutch oven or the Challenger bread pan, or just some sort of covered vessel in the oven. We're going to do that for 25 minutes at 500 degrees, and then we're going to take the cover off of the bread and let it bake for another 25 minutes at 485 degrees. And while we're doing that, we'll start the second loaf. So I'm going to show you as much of it as possible. I'm going to try and show you how to do the score, because sometimes that seems to be a little bit tricky. But really, I never do it the same way twice, and it comes out pretty good almost every time. Just need a sharp razor blade, and that's what we're going to do. So let me grab the first loaf, and we will get started. All right. And this one happens to be the loaf that we did not do the lamination on. Take the shower cap off. You can see it's still grown some more. It's a little bit wet on that side. So parchment paper, put it on the peel. Flip it over, and then we're going to gently release it. We don't want to deflate the bread at this point. Worked really hard to get all those bubbles in there. Alrighty, awesome. Now, razor blade. I'm gonna start from one end. I'm gonna go to the other. Ideally, if you could do this quickly and in one swift motion, it works much better. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. Holding this on about a 45-degree angle, and we're just gonna slice. What we're doing is creating a weak point for the bread to expand. It's going to expand. If we don't make this, it will find the weak point and it'll burst out that way. So we wanna just control where that weak point is gonna be. So we're gonna do that by putting in the score. And a little tight over there. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna put some decorative scores on the side. I'm gonna make them look like little sheafs of wheat. So just lightly, just kind of putting some little scores on there. You may be able to see it when I take it out, we'll see. So just some little scratches that are gonna look like sheafs of wheat when we're done. All right, now to put it in the oven.